Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota RAV4 versus Forester. The RAV4 typically comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 203 horsepower, offering a spirited drive. The Forester also uses a 2.5-liter four-cylinder, but it produces 182 horsepower, focusing more on efficiency. Both models offer impressive fuel economy, often achieving around 30 miles per gallon combined, making them economical choices for daily commutes and longer trips. Moving inside, both the RAV4 and Forester prioritize passenger comfort with ample head and legroom for 5. The RAV4 boasts a generous 37.8 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row, perfect for luggage or groceries. The Forester, while slightly less at 26.9 cubic feet, still offers practical storage. Both vehicles also provide intuitive infotainment systems with modern connectivity options. When it comes to safety, both the RAV4 and Forester excel. The RAV4 features Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, which includes a pre-collision system and lane departure alert. The Forester counters with its comprehensive EyeSight driver assist technology, offering adaptive cruise control and pre-collision braking. Both SUVs consistently receive high safety ratings, providing peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike with their robust suite of driver assistance features. Finally, let's talk about value. The Toyota RAV4 generally starts around $29,000, offering a strong blend of features and reliability. The Subaru Forester often begins slightly lower, near $28,000, providing excellent all-wheel drive capability and safety. Both maintain strong resale values, making them smart long-term investments. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.